guys, welcome back to the video. It's your boy Audi. Today we're going to go ahead and replace the drive axle on my 2006 Audi A3. Sorry for the technicalities. I'm actually not home right now, but we'll upload this video and get it done, and let's get into it. Procedure could be used for both sides of the vehicle. It's the same, identical, so you can use the same procedure to do either side. You're just gonna go ahead and remove the wheel. After you remove the wheel, you're gonna remove the bolt that's in the center of the hub, and it's I think it's a 32 socket or 34. Go ahead and remove it. Once you remove it, then go ahead and remove the three nuts on the ball joint that's on the bottom that's connected to the little control arm. Once you remove those, use the pry bar to separate it. Once you're separated, you could simply, go ahead and maneuver it more freely, and then just go ahead and pull out the axle. Once the axle is out, now you're gonna go ahead and focus on the bolts that's connecting to the transmission on the inside of the axle. This procedure is very easy, simple. 1-2. Doing this should get you done with it in no time, maybe an hour and a half, and you should be good to go. All right. There is going to be 6 12-point Allen key bolt that's holding this axle, so you need that special 12-point Allen key to get this done. Now that you have all the bolts out, just go ahead and remove the axle. So as you can see, this is the old one, and it's like a shake weight. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good. It's supposed to be like this. There's no work. There's no play in it. No play. That's good, but shake weight. Hold on. It's stuck now. It's stuck. Well, check that out. That is not good. None of that is good. See that? It's garbage. This is bad. You can see with my hands. Look at that. That's rust. You don't want that in your joints. It's not good for the car. It's not good for your joints. Rust. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this new one in, because this time I'm mad dirty right now. It's cool. We out here. It's 89 degrees. Sweating our stuff off, and let's put this together. Clean the bolts for the axle, and all I'm doing is taking the brake cleaner and clean out the threads, because I'm going to reuse them. And they weren't even that tight in there. But I'm using some thread locker when I put it back in there, so this way they don't back out. So you can see in here where the axle gonna bolt onto. So let's get this in here. So I'm gonna go down under the end link and then go in. Just I hope take it out, and I'm gonna try to raise it into place. And I'll put on the tip. And then got our tool that we put together. Put this in there. And then go in. This is hot. Yeah, it's been out here for like what, 20 minutes, and you could barely hold it. Water for you. You always want to catch it with your hands. You want to get all these bolts in with your hands first before you go ahead and start tightening them up. Because if you do that, if you tighten one at a time without them all being in close, you can have problems.
All right, guys, what we're doing is we're putting a new CV axle. Is that what it's called?
CV axle, yeah.
CV axle on the A3 here. So what I'm doing is, what is it?
So you're putting the Loctite.
We're putting the Loctite
on the bolt.
On the bolt.
So
just a little bit, just on the tip.
Put a little bit more.
Okay, I'm
go ahead. Go ahead. Put some more. Go a little bit more onto the bolt. There you go.
All right. See? We got that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way in here to the bottom.
Which one are you going to?
The bottom right here. I think I'm doing it.
Good job. Go ahead. Don't cross thread it now.
Okay, but I don't know what I'm doing.
So basically, you're clockwise.
Okay, but
make sure it's crooked.
Oh, okay. So do I need to move this?
So back it out. And try to get it on a more level angle. So let me help you out.
Okay.
So you're gonna go in.
Yeah.
And you're gonna get it as straight as possible in there. Just like that. There you go.
Okay. So now
you're gonna bring it all the way in with your hand.
All the way in with my hand.
Yeah.
Ooh, fun. All right. So then, how tight do I do?
You just bring it in hand tight. This way, you're just catching the bolt inside right now. There you go. Good job.
Okay.
Now do the other one.
How do I let okay.
There you go.
Now I'm catching this bolt, and now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit right here. Hold on. You're running out. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
And then we're gonna stick it in this thing, whatever this is. And we're gonna put it on the last one on this side. I have to angle it.
And make sure it's straight going in.
Straight going in. I hope it is, but we're gonna check.
There you go.
And there we go. Look at that.
There you go.
Shut up and shoot me. And we're just gonna hand tight it, and then you're gonna do the rest.
Yes.
Bam.
All right. Good job.
Abby the mechanic. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right.
Pull back together using the 8-inch with the extension, and then you're gonna go in. Yeah. And you don't want much of a flex, so. 1, 2, 3. That's more than what is in there. One, 2, 3. Okay. And then I'm gonna hold the axle. You got 1, 2. And then hold the axle. The reason I'm holding the axle is so that this way it's as straight as possible, and it doesn't damage the tool. Okay. Yeah. We'll go ahead, nice and easy. We'll pull out. And I'm gonna slide. I'm gonna get it in here. Okay. Well, oops. Ready?
Yeah.
So, here we go. There you go. Get one in. There we go. Woo!
Finally.
And we're in. Woo. It's nice and cool under here.
Is it? Let me turn on the car. Bet you it won't be good.
Yeah, trying to roast me now.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a good breeze.
Mm-hmm. That breeze feels really good.
All right, now don't fall asleep. Finish what you started.
But I gotta get 2 of our engine mounts, because these ones are worn. So that's more things to get. But that's for another day. Okay, just put the bolt back in. And if you notice, it's not the original bolt that came out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna find a size for it. Because I gotta find a size for this, because that's not what I have out here originally. So let's see what we got. It's been like 10 minutes. I think this is her now. How is it?
It felt nice. Look, I'm gonna let go of the brakes.
Uh-huh.
It goes fast.
There you go. That's
what you wanted, right?
Yeah, because what happened is,
Go again?
sure.
Just kidding. Okay, how much you go around the circle?
Okay. So what was happening is that every time you put the car in drive, it would like have a little bit of a roll, and then it will like pick up it and go. So with the bad axle, with that plane, it was trying to grab and trying to like rotate, but it took a while to rotate because the axle was really bad. So by replacing the axle, solve that issue. So hope you enjoyed this video. She's enjoying herself, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. You just joyriding that thing now. Just bring it back. Just bring forward. I gotta cut some other things.
I know how to drive, I promise.
Okay.